Good morning, everyone. It's Jen at Ink Paper Rubber. I am back again. I just plain ran out of time yesterday, but I do have more to show you, so I wanted to be sure and pop in and show you some of the other goodies that came in. This time I have an order from Tailored Expressions. It's a pretty small order. I had some back-ordered things that I wanted, or some things that were out of stock I wanted to get in. They came back in stock, and I just got a few other things that we had sold out of. So let me show you what we got. First of all is this fun stencil, Brick by Brick. This allows you to do really fun brick backgrounds. We're going to be using that on a card in a class coming up later this month to create the chimney here. Doesn't that look amazing? And of course that is the On a Hinge Santa that we have used his legs on here. That's so fun, and we do have that stamp and die set in stock as well. Also got back in more of the boxed in Christmas panels. These are so great. They are pre-printed panels. You can see here you get 12 of them in each package. There are 6 different designs, and these are all holiday designs, and there are 2 of each of them. And they are great because you can use these and you can color in those if you want. You can stamp something in the middle of it or put a die cut, but it makes it really easy to make some really fast and cute cards. Also got back in some of the new sentiment sets. These have continued to be really popular. This one is their Christmas Words of Faith, and you can see here it's got these 4 really nice sentiments on here, and I like it because there's a little bit of additional detail, not just the sentiment, but the additional detail on there really kind of dresses it up. We also got back in the Inside Scoop Christmas Blessings. We got this in, I think, last week and sold back out really quickly. This is great. This is specifically designed that you can use it on the inside of your cards, which I know at least I a lot of times kind of neglect the inside of the card. Especially on a Christmas card, it's really nice to have a sentiment on the inside. It does also have a couple of just simple sentiments that you could use on the outside as well. Was also really excited that we got back in the Buffalo Plaid background. This is such an amazing stamp. It gives the coolest background, and if you have not noticed, Buffalo check is big this year. It is everywhere. So now you can even add it to your cards. And I just wanted to show you a card sample. We're going to be doing this in Simply Cards next week. We used a dark blue ink on a lighter blue background, but if you look closely, we just came in with a marker and we added some additional lines in there. So that's a way that you can just change it up a little bit. Even though it's amazing as is, you can even dress it up a little bit more if you want to. The last thing that I want to show you we got back in is the Manger Little Bits. The Little Bits dies are so great. They're inexpensive and really fun to use, all these different elements. And I'm just going to show you a couple ways that we have used it. One, we've used it on this card as the base for our stamped "Oh Come Let Us Adore Him" tree. We've used that die on there, and that's going to be in an upcoming class. And also we've used it on this card to make a shaker ornament card, and we've added the manger in there on the inside. So lots of ways to use those Little Bits dies. One last thing I want to show you. This is not for sale, although if anyone is interested, I can certainly order these. I got this. We are planning a really special week for you coming up, the first full week in December. We're going to have a full week of make and take style projects, a different one every day. And they are going to be all things that you can use for holiday gifts or decorations. They'd be great Secret Santa gifts. And one of the things that we're going to be doing is doing some earrings, some leather and maybe even suede style earrings, and using this die. So definitely watch for that. And again, if anyone is interested, I can certainly order more of these for you. Just point out this is a mixed media die, so it is perfect for cutting some of the thicker materials with. All right. That's it for now. I may be back to show you some more later today, but for right now, I'm going to say over and out. I hope you all have a great day. Be careful if you're out and about this afternoon. I know we're supposed to get some precipitation, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.